SBRBTR Project Scrum Team 1 Sprint 2 presentation. In this video, we will continue the project by presenting everything accomplished by Team 01 members during this sprint, as well as the artifacts produced throughout the process. The goal of Sprint 2 was to develop the visual simulation of 3 satellites in orbit using SCADE display through the replication of the coordinate interface in order to meet the academic project requirements. We highlight the following user stories. US 2.1.1 Goal: replicate the coordinate interface in SCADE display to simulate 3 satellites in orbit. US 2.1.2 Improve robustness of the integrity checker (CRC) with fault injection. Evolution of US 1.1.3. US 2.1.3 Define interface contracts and the SW/HW component diagram. Evolution of US 1.1.4. US 2.1.4 Message compatibility test for ground link. Handover to Team Scrum 2. Other activities include the creation of this video, the sprint presentation, and the preparation of the Sprint 2 summary report. Using the knowledge gained during our classes, we completed task US 2.1.1 with the SCADE software. We replicated the coordinate interface to simulate 3 satellites in orbit around the Earth. Each satellite's position is represented visually, allowing us to observe their movement and relative distances. That we also define constants such as the Earth's mass, radius, and the speed of light to make the simulation more accurate and consistent. To evaluate the robustness of the CRC, a fault injection technique was employed to simulate potential errors and assess the CRC's response. The results demonstrated that the CRC effectively identified all injected faults. The images show the results obtained. The system was divided into internal and external interfaces. The internal ones connect sensors and actuators to the central CNDH module, ensuring control and data collection from the satellite. The external interface transmits information via radio signal to the ground. This structure enabled high scalability and automated testing, confirming that the satellite transmits and processes data accurately. To ensure that Platform 1, which simulates the satellites, and Platform 2, which acts as the ground station, can communicate correctly, an adjustment was made to the format of the data they exchange. First, an analysis was made of how Platform 2 receives the data. With this information, Platform 1 software was modified to generate the data in the correct format. The next step will be to physically integrate both platforms to conduct tests in a real, not just simulated, environment. All developed user stories were made available on GitHub, along with the team's Kanban board. A continuous follow-up of the activities was carried out to generate a burn-down chart at the end of the sprint. Thank you for your attention.